Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the live, tonight's live. Why is my screen so dark though? You can clearly see the sparrows coming in and out of you. Go my mag nou weer so wat dreig hê. $2.90 $2.961. Ek moet sê my TikTok kry nog views. Hier's 'n TikTok wat 12,000 views het. Wat Jason gepost het. Oor 12,000 views.
Daarbij zal er gaan priorisering toepassen, maar ik ga er op jouw SMS.
Welcome to tonight's live. Welcome, welcome. So tonight it looks very bullish to me. However, I need more confirmations to decide on my bias. I took a beautiful sell this morning with my team, with our group. As you can see right there was a break and dropped as far as 3026. But now we started to see this consolidation. I'm just waiting for price to eventually break out of this area. That's why I'm watching the 15 minute. We can see here, you know, it's probably going to come back here and retest and then shot up. So for me to, in order to take a sell, I don't think I would like to sell because of the strong momentums from the London session this break here. I will first wait. But if I'm gonna take a buy, it might not only be until here to the ski area here. So yeah, let's see what do we get next after this price action. I will let you know in 15 minutes time. Took a beautiful sell this morning. Sure. We catch the trade right here. Right here. As soon as this broke here, see, this was an entry. It was around here. And check what happened. I took my profits here. So you can see I took my profits around here, but the trend didn't drop more. This was a crazy trade this morning. I do think price wants to reverse and continue going up now. However, let's see what's gonna happen here. It's not 7 yet, so even on a 30 minute, it looks bearish, because this is also valid. Let me just delete this. It can still continue bearish. Let me just delete this and then we check. Because if you check here on the 4 hour, I said to the guys, I do think price is heading to 3014 as a pullback from that key area there at the top. Will it happen now tonight? I don't know. It might just want to continue this bearish momentum. As you can see here, it started here. And now we have a double top again. So it might just continue going down. And I'm just waiting for a confirmation. Oh, that's a nice break though. It's a nice break that we're seeing there. Let's see if it can hold. Hi, yeah, hi. Welcome. Let me know if you can hear me clearly and if there's any issues with my sound, please. Good evening. Yeah, it looks like we're going to get a continuation of this morning's move. I'm just thinking, I thought like price is going to reverse after that drop. It was a crazy drop this morning. I took a trade from, I was almost like 90 pips. Oh, that's a strong break. Mm. Mm. Let's check the 1 hour. I do think it wants to break these lows also and fill these gaps here at the bottom. So let's see. I'm just waiting for this 15 minute now to clear. Thank you for those who indicated that the sound is good. Sure, that was a crazy sell this morning. We can notice even on the 1 hour, 30 minutes, double top. That strong indication, and even this week just step into, and then we start seeing bearish momentum. I would love to see price at least break here before I'm heading down. But yeah, first need to see more confirmations. This morning's trade was an easy supply zone setup. When I came to the market, I said to them, you see, I can see a pullback happening here. Also, we got a double top here. This was the candle on the 1 hour that indicated to me that we are about to drop. Now you see, this was also now a nice setup here. I can see it according to our structure here. Earlier on, you can see this candle took out price, came back to that supply area, and it's dropping. Price came back again now into the supply area, but this is based on a 15 minute. So let's see if we can find a continuation of that bearish momentum. Basically right here. Okay, so now I'm just waiting on the 15-minute candle to give me a closer. And based off that 15-minute candle, I will then determine where my entry is going to be and where my stop loss and take profit is going to be. So at this current moment, I have a bearish bias. I'm going with the flow. We can definitely see momentum is pushing downwards. Overall, we are in a pullback, so we are trading. I do think it wants to come up. If I'm gonna enter, it will most probably be around here. Then the stop loss must be there. So first, need to see where this 15 minutes gonna go though. This candle. This candle is very important where this candle close. That sell this morning was a crazy sell. I mean, in a good way. Let's see. Let's see. Two more. So we have tomorrow a public holiday in South Africa. So I will be trading tomorrow morning in London session live. I will go live on London session as well. Let me just check if we have news tomorrow. There's no news tomorrow. Hmm. Nee man. Why? Yes, yes. What is happening here though? Something is very much weird. But why? Okay, it's fine. Alright, I was just checking something. Okay, so that's definitely a break there. Let me just. TP1's gonna be around here. TP2. So let's see. Something look weird on my side though. Alright, let's see. I don't get it. Why did they bring into? All right, so my entry, I'm looking to enter around. Uh, just give me a second here. I was trying to set up my other accounts. Getting my account ready. Let me just see. Boom, 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 boom. Right. So as soon as I tap into my zone at uh 3038, my stop loss will be, I'm at 3042. Okay, so this is what I'm currently looking at. So once it taps into our zone, I'm gonna get in. With the sell. Okay, let's go. All right. It's getting close to my entry. Once it gets in and reject in our zone, that's when we enter. All right. Let's see. It's tapping now our zone. I just need a rejection. I'm gonna open one position. Let's see. I just needed to come in but more in reject. So once I get that rejection, I'll enter more positions. All right. It's now in our, it's rejecting. Okay, I'm in. So that 3028 is our second TP, but my first TP is gonna be around this area, 3032. Stop loss is just above here, so let's see. All right, so it's now in our zone. 2 more minutes, then the 1 hour candle closes. Let me just check on it. Okay, let's go. Let me see what that. Okay, that 1 hour candle closed strong berries, so that's giving me more confirmation also that we could see price pushing down more. But it's all about protecting our capital. Anything can go wrong. Our stop loss is above the structure here. However, I do think price wants to come in all the way down and grab this liquidity. But we know sometimes it will retest the zone or the breakout area one or two times, twice. So yeah, just now the patience. Gold is strongly berries. So let's go, gold. Let's go. All right. That pullback is needed before it wants to drop. Let's check the 15-minute. Okay, so it's just in this zone, yes. As long as it's in the zone still, we are still fine. Hmm. Let's see. What are we gonna get next? Because we got some strong momentum this morning, so on us that sell was very strong. Price could also just decide to reverse. Um, but the setup will become invalid once it breaks at least here, these highs here. Hopefully we won't just get a stop loss hunt tonight. Hopefully it will go straight. Just this is just a small pullback and then price will start to move. Let's see if the market is not gonna give us a stop loss hunt tonight. As long as the 15-minute candle just close below our supply zone, then I'm good. And there's still 5 more minutes left on that candle. You see where that next candle started now? Oh, you see that wick? That's a beautiful rejection. I just hope that gold is gonna continue. That wick was a beautiful rejection. That is a strong indication that price wants to drop. Okay, now let's go gold. Okay, we can see it's starting to move now. And I'm happy with that 15-minute rejection. It's actually, we check on the 15-minute that the 15-minute candle closing, if it closed now in 2 minutes time, it's going to close below. It's not closing in our zone, and that's my confirmation. We'll check here. See, it's just wicking in here. Beautiful drop. It's beautiful gold. It's a strong drop there. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, that's beautiful. Come on, gold, let's go. You know you want to drop. Don't play with us tonight, like you did Tuesday. And it finally went to our TP. Tuesday evening. But like I said, what I noticed is, especially when gold was so strong in the London session, and because it was strongly bearish. It was dropping so good. And then we saw that it pulled back, and now it gave us indication that it wants to continue going down. So I'm not going for the big moves because I am aware of this morning's volume, and yeah, as long as we can make some 2 or 3%, then I'm good. We have seen Tuesday evening it playing out around 8, a bit late as usual, but yeah, patience paid. If you watch Tuesday evenings live, you will notice, you will see that trade we took on Tuesday evening. I don't trade on Wednesdays. So you'll see my live is Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. I will be live tomorrow morning as we have a public holiday in South Africa. So I am trading actually. I'm a London session trader, but I just live trade to show my process and being transparent on my channel at night from 7. So every evening I trade. So tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m. to 9, between 8:30 and 9, I will go live on YouTube trading the London session gold and see if gold can give us a nice setup like it did this morning as well. All right, now it's just a waiting game. I love the fact that we got a 15-minute candle that closed not in our zone, so that is strong. So it's coming to retest now our zone again, and we know, like I always said, it will come. Sometimes it come back and retest twice, sometimes for the third time, and then it drops. As long as it's still just retesting the zone, not giving us indication that it's starting to break higher highs, because now then we start to say, okay, then we start to need to look at what is structure now telling us, because we trading according to the structure and where the volume goes. So yeah, but I trust my analysis. I trust that this trade setup looks valid according to all the rules. We have a solid break. We are tapping into a previous supply zone. We can see on the higher time frames we are backed up by the momentum on the higher time frames. So we also noticed a rejection and we entered based off the rejection. So if this trade doesn't play out, I accept my risk, but I'm confident in the setup also at the same time. I'll be back now. I'll be back in a second. 1 minute. Hi, Peter. Evening. I'm back. Let's see. So we entered around here. I do think it wants to drop more. Like I said, my TP1 is around 3032. TP2 is 3028. All right, we're seeing it starting to move. That's beautiful. It broke that wick now. You can see it starting to move now. Oh, crazy push. Beautiful. It's about to break this low here, then I'll be happy. I need the price to break these lows because we're targeting these lows here at the bottom and this low even. I do think price wants to come and fill these lows. If you check on the high of 30 minute, 1 hour, you'll see that these areas needs to be filled. Don't you worry, no. We can see those candles getting smaller and smaller, meaning that bullish momentum is dying down. So yeah, we're waiting for two more of these 500 candles. It might just pull back a little bit to 3037 and then drop, but it's definitely going to drop. So I think it wants to come pull back to here and then it will drop. Just retest here again and now drop. Okay, so it looks like it's back at our zone again. Retesting the zone now again. What's our just touch the zone and then it drop. I just needed to reject off. Okay, so it's deep into our zone now. At the entry, actually, now, right at the entry. To be honest with you, I'm not gonna wait for it to come all the way back here. Once price break this week here, I might just close. This week here on this candle, this week here, just above, or basically right here. If price comes above that, I'm going to close my trade. This is a small rejection. I just don't like the fact that if this next candle breaks above this week here, I don't like it. Because it's supposed to just step into the zone and then reject, not close in the zone. Yep. I can always re-enter once I see it's coming back again, but I'm not gonna sit in all of that. Throw down. So I'm just watching it with the bird's eye. Let me see. We don't need price to break this week here, because if you check on the 15 minute, that's that week the 15-minute made. So if it goes higher than that, then it's breaking a high. So it could make new highs. So that could be an indication that it's making new highs. So you need to know when to get out. Don't hold on to a losing trade setup. It's always a next setup. If you lose, you lose. Like I said, it is risky because we've been bearish, strong bearish. We might be sitting in a reversal where price is just deciding to reverse the structure. Tomorrow morning we're gonna come back and we're gonna take more trades. So I never get married to a setup. Okay, we still have like 3 minutes left of this candle to give us a great indication that it still wants to drop. We don't need candles to close in our zone. As soon as we see a candle close, a body candle close in the zone, without giving us a week, I'm out. Then zoom a bit in. So you can see clearly I'm looking at this area. Yes, I know I said my stop loss is here, but once price come above here, I'm out. You see it broke that previous week now. Don't like it. Nope, I don't like that. One more minute. This is so annoying though. It's right at our entry now. What do you want to do? It's coming for that week, yeah. See, that bullish is too strong. That bullish candle is too strong. I'm gonna close. Nope, I don't like how that 15-minute candle closed. It closed in a zone. Just see. See, it closed in the zone. I'm getting out. I don't like how it closed, but this week, man, that is the week that's actually determining. Okay, let's give it some time. I just don't like this 15-minute candle though. However, what's keeping me holding is this low here. This candle is in line with this low here. So it just looked like it came to retest this low here. But if it breaks above, I'm out. This week, it's the only week that's still keeping me in this trade now. This week, yeah. So it's like 10 pops. Gold is playing now. But I expected this because we saw strong bearish momentum this morning. So that was a huge win for us. And we might just be trapped in a reversal currently, a continuation of the bullish trend. Let's see. And this came so close to our TP1 here. 3033 is around here. And then it pushed back, retest the zone. Now it looks like it's dropping again. Just get out of the zone is all. Come on, go. Let's go now, man. You see, it came all the way down to 3034. 30349, 303. Yeah, I do think it wants to drop more. Hmm. It's playing. Ah, I'm out. I'm getting out. I'll wait for it to break out of the zone again before I re-enter. You can see it's a very tight stop loss. It's like 12 pops. That's where I. Because I'm giving it some breathing, but I don't like how this 15-minute candle closed in the zone as well. And it's starting to break this high. Like I explained, like we saw this volume dropping. I do think prices wants to continue going bullish now and retest those key areas again. So I am out of this trade now. I'm gonna protect my capital. Let's see what's gonna happen. It's like literally 5 more minutes, 7 more minutes before I. Only time I'll re-enter is once I can, if price break out here. I do still think price can drop because of the higher time frame. Come on. You see, it's a good thing I exit because gets either literally says it does week here and it's now above that week. I'm out. I'm cutting that loss. I'm not taking big losses. We had made some good profits this morning. Oh, this is now again a stop loss hunt. I'm seeing this. I just want to see where this candle is going to close now. Definitely hunting stop loss now. Oh, why would it close bullies? I think it's going to shut up now. It hasn't taken out this week yet, yeah, but still. Unless this next candle is giving us a strong bearish drop, and then I don't see that price is going to continue down. So that's how far price actually just wanted to move now. Just give us that. How many pips was that? Like, that was a 1:2. Okay, 2%. I really thought it's going to go lower than that. But literally just retested 2035. That's 3035 and then shot up. Let me just make a note of this. Come on. Setup is invalid, guys. Setup just became invalid. Like I said, if it breaks this week here, let me just move it. This week here, it's higher than this week now. It's breaking a high here. That means the momentum is shifting now. I know where I am in the market. Price is now going back to that key area at 3050. We can clearly see that the momentum is shifting. So that candle just came and retest this body here and then it's now shooting up. That 1 hour is too strong. It's 8 o'clock now. Within 3 minutes, that candle is going to close and I think it's going to break here. It's going to break right here. And we will then see price continue going up. Remember, we are in a bullish market, overall bullish on the higher time frame. So it's not uncommon for gold to continue going up. That was a counter trend setup, so you need to understand when you take sales in a bullish market, just be careful of these things. Get out as soon as you see the setup becomes invalid. Once that 5 minute candle closed there, my setup is invalid. But I closed even before that, like you saw. So yeah, that's trading. You lose trades and you win trades. You lose and you win trades. I aim to take one setup a day, then I'm done. I made good money this morning, so for me it's not really. I understand the risk that we took. I was transparent where we're gonna get out. We even had a smaller stop loss, so we even reduced our risk and cut our losses very early. So it is still a win for me. We followed all my rules. I followed my rules, entered based off a break. Yeah, so I will be back tomorrow morning. Luckily, we are at home. It's a public holiday in South Africa, so I will be trading live in the London session. We will be taking setups on gold again. I might not. It will be from 8. I will be live from 8 a.m. 8:30, but it will be before 9 a.m. So I will be on the charts looking at gold again tomorrow morning. Yeah, we can see it's now tapping into that retesting right here. And I do think it's gonna break here now. And that's my key area there. It has to go and fill this also. So yes, we got a nice sell this morning, and like I said, even this candle now is breaking this high here. So strong bullish momentum coming into the market. That setup, that sell gave us like We entered around here. That's why I always say take partial profits when you're up. Don't let the market reverse on you while you didn't take, like our TP was here, TP1. However, the market move, if you have a decent lot size and you entered there, it was 2%, 1 is to almost 3 risk reward. 1 is to 2 is like 40 pips here. So the trade moved 40 pips up and then it reversed now. Pull back and we're starting to see structure. Let me just delete this quickly. And we can see it's currently right in this resistance here. It's about to break that resistance, also breaking this previous high. As you can see there now. A lot of momentum coming in. It's 8 o'clock. So let me just see on the 1 hour. Okay, so here we see the support here. Alright. And we can, and looking at our previous price, we know that gold is overall bullish in a bullish trend. And I said my key area is at 3050, and that is where price is heading to. But yeah, I will be back tomorrow morning. I took 2 trades today. So yeah, I am mentally drained managing trades and having a life and all that responsibilities. It can take a toll on your mental health. So I'm gonna take a break. I'll see you tomorrow morning so I can be fresh for the charts. Protect your capital. Don't be risky. Don't overtrade. Don't try to force it. As soon as you try to force it in trading, you will not make money. It's, it's easy for me to say, but you have to develop that kind of mindset. The more you need it, the more you're not gonna get it. That's the hard part, and trading is not for everyone. But if you want to do it, and you know you can work on your emotions, because your emotional state, making emotional decisions is bad for business in trading. Trading is a business. It's a skill, but it's a business also. So you must manage it like a business. See you. Yeah, we see each other tomorrow. I don't trade fundamentals. I don't use fundamentals. It's purely technical based trading. Yeah, that I'm doing. I'm using supply and demand zones to enter, but I analyze the market using market structure, price action, purely price action, market structure, and then I use candlestick patterns, paying attention to the candlesticks, and then I also, with my experience in the market, I think what helped me a lot was I learned from a guy who taught key areas, bank levels, which there is no such thing as bank levels, but he used to call it bank levels. But it's basically just key areas that I'm using. So those key areas are, I always see it's being respected. Some people call it different names. I call it just key areas. It's easy to spot. It's easy to identify. You can identify it on any chart, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly. I like to use the key areas on the higher time frame, which is 4 hour, 1 hour. Then I trade based off that. But then there's an entry strategy there's a few things that I look for before I enter. And I see that if I don't see those things, I don't enter. So yeah, that is basically how I trade. Yeah, you can see clearly it's starting to break those highs there on the 1 hour, 30 minute. Let me just check here. This is 15 minute. Thank you guys and girls for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I will be back tomorrow morning and then also tomorrow evening if the markets are not looking crazy. Thank you for watching. If you are new, I'm trading every day except on a Wednesday live at 7 p.m. In our South African time. If you want to get all the notifications, make sure you subscribe to my channel also, and ensure that your notification bell is on all and not personalized. Otherwise, if it's on personalized, you won't get my notifications. Oh, so let's go. See you guys and girls. Strong sweet trading. I see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye. Why are you laughing? Why you not tuning?